Yara, check this video, eh? Check these champions. The three amigos. Welcome to another video, boys and girls. We are at Rhenosterkop. Here for a bit of a pre-fish for the next EBASS leg. Yeah, come have a bit of fun with three friends and see what we can get up to and hopefully catch some big ones. So wish us luck, hit those thumbs up, and let's see what goes down.
Take him anyway, even a pool, find the best. Stop here. Yeah, stop it up.
Listen. That sounded good.
Did you lose it?
Yeah.
Big fish.
No, not that big.
Wasn't it that big? It sounded quite
That thing sounded like
quiet.
John, not that big, must be like 3.5.
That was about 1.5.
I almost hit the grass and I stopped before it. I think it hit straight away and I started reeling in and it felt like there's no slack and then I see the line coming this way. Sheesh.
Not that fat, eh?
This is a nice healthy fish. Mooi man.
You have 3 of these and 2 big ones, eh?
Yeah, very lucky. Feisty, eh?
Yes, that was nice, dude.
And they bark. This morning bite was good and then it died down.
Better one. Almost. Oh.
Got my line there, look.
It's the same fish.
Yeah. No, it's just my line that's there.
How did it get to all the way there?
I don't know what that fish was doing. My bait also there.
Yeah.
Hey? We caught the same fish.
We caught the same fish.
How the hell?
Check. I'll throw it in and Jade can bring it in now.
A hungry bugger.
How crazy was that?
That's crazy, dude.
Hungry fish, eh?
And it just came out when we put him there.
Yeah, hungry fish, and it was in his
Gullet.
gullet, huh? I was wondering, why is there another line? I don't know. I just see his wife. Oh!
Did.
His wife. Oh! Did you see that?
Comes back for it.
That was cool. Oh man, I wish I had got a chest right now. Hey, a nice keeper. That's a nice one.
Again.
Look how heavy that little guy is. Doesn't look heavy, but still that we heavy. Yeah.
Again, look at what area it is.
Eh?
Look at what area it is.
I know, Rocky.
As soon as you got the clear air,
Yeah.
there's a few bites, right? No, 2 bites there as well.
Yes, and he came back with like twice.
How's that?
No, I can see it. I can see it there. I can see it. Wait, just get the net. God,
Yes.
Yo, side cover more.
Yeah. Yes, man. How the hell?